Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today, I'll be sharing with you how easy it is to propagate variegated ivy. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Filipina and welcome to Gardening with Filipina. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this with your friends and consider subscribing for more gardening tips. So after 2 weeks, roots started showing, and now we can plant this in the soil, or you can even grow this in water. Now I am mixing the regular soil and the succulent soil mixture. You can also use this ratio, 75% of regular soil and 25% of perlite or pumice.